To complete this little project here, we need to fill our bottle with oil. And this lamp oil is available in a variety of different colors. You can see there's red, blue, green, and clear. We're going to use the red one on this. And it's best if you don't have the bottle over the wooden and you pour it in just in case you spill. And so I'm going to do that separately. Got a little funnel. You see it's pretty easy to spill this. And then we'll set the wick down in. I've already primed this wick a little bit by just dipping it in oil, so it should light up right away. Put that down inside. And there's your finished oil lamp. It's a great project. I think it's a lot of fun to make and it's useful. People will really enjoy it as a gift. It's a good place to start learning some of the techniques of turning.